Hi friends, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back to another video in our UiPath data series. In our last video, you learned how to delete multiple files from a record field in UiPath data service. In this video, we are going to learn how to use upload file to record field activity in UiPath data service. That means you are going to learn how to upload files to this UiPath data service to this specific records here. We are here on the UiPath data service page. This is vendor master entity and we have 6 records. Now we have one field that is vendor documents. So make sure that you have at least one field where the field type is file. Then only you can use that activity. And now I'm going to show you how to use that activity, and then we are going to upload the file to this vendor ID V006. And for that, let me open UiPath Studio. Now, as you know that without record ID, we'll not able to perform further. We'll not able to perform that demo. So first we have to use this query entity records activity. We will select the entity, and from the query I'm going to select that I want to upload the file to the vendor ID V006. Okay, you can select it from there. If you don't know how to use this one, I will recommend you to watch my previous videos. Okay, now we'll save this. We'll store that in the output records. We'll go to this package UiPath data service.activities, and then we will select this upload file to record field activity. Okay, this activity is used to upload a file to a specified field of an entity record from the data service. Here we will select that entity. Now there are three things here: record ID, field, and then file resource. Record ID, we will take it from this collection of vendor master entity. I will write here output records of 0 dot id. So it will give us the record ID for the first record, output records of 0, right? And we have here only one condition, so we'll have only one record, right? Now we got that record ID. Now we need to select the field. So we have the drop down. If you have multiple fields where the field type is file, you will see here. I will select this. Now the file resource is, it means the file which you want to upload, and the file size cannot exceed 10 MB. And if attachments like the file is already attached to that specific record, then whatever file path you will pass here, that will be replaced with this file, right? Now you have to put that file path here. Now if you click on this advanced editor, you can see here the file, the variable type will be I resource, the file resource. What you can do here, we have to write here one expression local resource dot, and then we will say from path, open close bracket, and then here inside we need to pass that local path as a string, as a local local resource. Okay, so path we can copy which file you want to upload. So let me go to that file. So I want to upload this payslip, this file I want to upload to that V006. So right click, copy as a path, and then we can paste in the double quotes. So we copied as a path, so already it comes along with the double quotes. Okay, now we are ready to use this activity. Now one more thing, if you don't want to use here this one, this variable, then what you can do, let's remove it. We have this folder, right? It will browse, show you one window to choose that file. So let's say I'm going to choose this any file, click on open, and then once you open this, you can see automatically it is taking that path with the local resources from path expression, right? We just need to replace the file which we want to upload. Okay, save that. Now we are ready to run that. So let's run this. Now this has been executed successfully. Let's open UiPath Data Service to validate. Let's refresh this. Let's go to that specific field. And now you can see here this PDF file payslip.pdf has been uploaded to the specific vendor ID, the V006. Same way, if you want to upload the files to multiple records, you can do it. There are multiple way you can, you know, take a Excel file. In that you can mention the vendor ID and then the file path. So based on the vendor ID, which file from which location you want to upload. So you will read that and then using for each row, you can loop through one by one, and then here also you can take multiple records and then use for each activity, loop through one by one record ID, and then check that if vendor ID is V001, then upload this, V002, then upload this file, like that based on the your Excel tracker. So you can upload file to the multiple records. I hope this is useful and you understood this one. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more UiPath tutorials. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.